Stef. Today I'm going to make some bugnes, originally from the Duchy of Savoy, where I come from, or Savoie. Some other people in France call it differently as rissole, but this is what I'm making, bugnes today. From the donut family, they are originally made at the beginning of Lent. Here's the ingredient we need to make this bugnes: 500 grams of sifted flour, plain flour, 80 grams of sugar, pinch of salt, 5 free-range eggs, 100 grams of soft butter and half a bag of yeast. So for the bugnes, to make the dough, we're adding the flour in my cul de poule, chicken bottom, literally translated. It was the sugar. Next, pinch of salt. Next, half a bag of yeast. Like so. Next, I'm gonna add the butter, which has been cut in cubes, which is easier to mix. And we're mixing. We start mixing. Now you start with a spoon, but the easier thing is to go with the hands. You can go with both hands actually. Make it quicker. You will know when all the butter is incorporated into the flour. You will know by the feeling with your finger. Right, that's about right. What we need to do next is beat the eggs. And it goes into the... And then at that point we mix it with a spoon to start. Obviously if you got an electric mixer, I go quicker. But the idea is to form a firm dough. Now to finish the dough, go with your fingers, add a little flour, like that it doesn't stick to your finger. There we go, this is what we want to achieve. That kind of consistency. There you go. That goes back in the dish. And what we're going to do now is rest it for an hour at ambient temperature. Just put a cloth over it and here we go. So after an hour in the bowl in ambient temperature, I put the dough in the fridge for an extra hour. So get your dough out. A little flour will help to do this. So I'm going to cut a little bit of dough, this back in there, a little flour and a rolling pin. Right, at that stage we get the dough and you want about 3 to 4 centimeters strips. And you want the bugnes about 6 to 7 centimeters strip. And what you do is you do an incision in the middle. You can do it with a knife. Incision in the middle and twist it once. This is what we want. Lay all your bugnes on a parchment paper or baking sheet and ready for frying. Right, so the bugnes have been rolled and cut and ready for frying. For that you need some vegetable oil or sunflower oil, about 2 liters. Bring it to 170 degrees. That should do the trick. Just test the water. Actually it's no water, it's oil. There you go, just let your bugnes going down. When they come up to the surface, that means they're cooked, and then we turn them around. There you go. And then you just put them on a piece of kitchen towel on a wire rack to absorb the excess fat. There you go, they're cooked on one side. Just turn them around for another minute. Okay, this is what we want to achieve, that kind of color. So the bugnes has been deep fried, so the way to do it now is and drain of the oil. Just put them on a tray like so. And what you need to do that, is ice them with icing sugar. So finishing touch, a little bit more icing on my bugnes. To go with that, Asti Spumante or Moscatel d'Asti. I choose this one today. Happy Lent to all of you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. That will be ace. And see you soon on Stef Chef. Cheers. And I forgot one of them.